Okay, let's try again.
Take a breath.
You're making me
stay with us.
Take three. Take three. Hey guys, tonight we're in Phoenix, Arizona at the...
Oh, Valentine's Day.
All right, ready?
Okay,
Take two, ready? Be quiet.
We are going.
This is take 4.
My name is Kylie Roche and welcome to the show. Today we're going to the Cajun Festival, which actually has a lot of music and different cultural foods that you'll get to see, but there's a very famous musician that's going to be playing today, so please stick around. Thank you.
Thank you.
What did she say?
Bomb.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Todd. This is the Sassy Kitchen Queen.
Hello, everybody. Welcome.
This is Grant back here. He's going to be handling the camera today. Of course, you already see our driver, Kylie. And of course, we got Jolie as navigator. So we're down here in Phoenix and Chandler, Arizona this weekend, visiting family. We're going to go check out the Cajun Festival in downtown Chandler, Arizona. Beautiful place. We're going to go check out some awesome barbecue, and we're going to take you along with us. We have a special musical guest, Crosstown Players, and we're going to check those guys out and show you later on in the video some of their music. So, but first, you guys be sure to not miss a thing, and be sure to hit that red subscribe button, tap that bell, and you guys will get updates on any future videos.
Get this party started!
Once y'all get up out your seats, too. Stay warm.
Share it with somebody.
What's this?
This is our smoky habanero, rich deep smoky flavor with heat. It goes with our, we use it in steak sauce, we put it in the smoked liquor sauce.
Ghost pepper?
That ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper. Okay, this is ghost pepper right here, man.
Can I see the bottle?
Whoa,
Want to see a real bottle?
whoa.
That's a real bottle. You to enjoy your food, enjoy the flavor of the sauce, and the last two. And then for
Okay, Arizona jerk sauce. Here we go. Oh my God. All right, guys. Hey, we found an awesome booth here. We got Fonda Hooks here, owner of Big Red's Hot Sauce, right here in Chandler at the Cajun Fest. So Fonda, I just tasted a whole bunch of this pepper chili here on some chips, and I'm telling you, some of it was like crazy hot, super flavorful. My favorite is the bacon. Fonda, tell us what's going on here. What's your favorite sauces?
Our business started 8 years ago. It's a family-owned business, and we have 10 different flavors. Today I have 9.
All right, so my personal favorite is the bacon, Big Red's maple bacon habanero.
Maple bacon jalapeno.
Maple bacon jalapeno. I'm going to get a few of these, and I think the Sassy Kitchen Queen's going to get some too. I tasted this. This is awesome. I'm going to check it out. Fonda, thank you very much for checking this out.
I appreciate it.
You guys got an Instagram or Facebook
Yes,
you want to
we
plug?
do. We have Instagram, Facebook, BigRedsHotSauce.com, folks.
BigRedsHotSauce.com. Go check it out. I'm here with William Berry, and this is
So Delightful.
So Delightful BBQ. Where are you out of?
We live in Chandler, Arizona right now. I moved here about a year ago from Georgia. I grew up in Michigan, so I got a different style of cooking. But people seem to like it. It's been pretty busy today. As you can see, I got some ribs on the grill, smoking here. Got some chicken.
Beautiful looking ribs.
Yeah, we got Cajun food, and we just adjust. So far, I've been with the Taco Fest in Scottsdale, and I've been with Queens Creek. So yeah, we just versatile. We're brand new, but hey, we come out, have fun, and we do our thing.
All right. So tell us about your smoker here.
So my smoker is unique because all my knobs are key handles. A guy I knew, he was a locksmith, so he retired and said, "Hey, I need somebody to take care of my baby." So I promised him I would take care of him and use him. So yeah, it's original. and it gets the job done.
A custom built smoker?
Yeah, custom built.
All right.
Yeah, it came from Kingman.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you using your fire chamber today?
Yeah, my smoker. So we.
Okay.
And that's where we.
All right. What kind of wood are you rolling with right now?
Right here, I use that good mesquite.
Oh, mesquite.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like mesquite.
All right.
I start out with a little Cajun first, but yeah, mesquite burns nice and slow.
All right.
Give it a good flavor.
I hope you guys can hear us. There's a band behind us, but I think they're kind of dying down now. My brother-in-law is Crosstown Players. He's a bass player, so I'll be looking for him later.
Okay.
So, but yeah, this is pretty nice. So he's using mesquite. And tell us about your ribs.
Well, we cook nothing but baby back ribs, and I got my own special seasoning where I won't share my recipe, but I guarantee they juicy and they good.
They look good.
Yes, sir.
We might be ordering some here in a little bit.
Oh, well, you're welcome. I'll take care of you.
Tell us about your chicken.
And you know, chicken, they're leg quarters, and we call it chicken basket. But you have to know how to cook those leg quarters, and I guarantee they juicy, they good, and you can't just eat one. You can find us at So Delightful 777.com. So Delightful 777.
The number 777.
Yep, at gmail.com.
Okay, so we're gonna flash that up on the screen in the description. You guys go check these guys out. Again, we're here in where are we? At Tempe?
No, we're in Chandler.
Chandler. You know, we're not from Arizona, okay? But Chandler, Arizona, go check them out. Some really awesome barbecue. It's nice seeing an actual smoker in a food fest down here, and not like some kind of electric smoker. You know, he's keeping it real. He's cooking with wood.
This is the only way to do it.
And it's looking pretty good. So, William, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. All right.
Yeah. Not bad. You know, they sing a lot of this. Looking at the devil. Night is gonna
It turns out Stacy Bibbs Barbecue is the only place at the Angry Crab Shack Cajun Fest in Chandler, Arizona, that has brisket right there.
Cajun brisket.
Cajun brisket, and it's on top of that, it's burnt ends Cajun brisket. So I'm gonna try this out right now. Oh, that's sauce, man.
Sure is.
I like the sauce.
The flavor from the burnt.
They got a smoker back there.
It's good sitting.
Looks like they got an offset smoker over there. What kind of wood do you use?
What is it?
Hickory? Oh yeah.
Get you one. Ooh, that looks good. That's some good focus. Yes, sir.
Oh
Let you
man.
enjoy the rest of that, sir. Thank you very much. Have a good one.
Thank you very much.
We got a strong few out there. We like it.
We want to say thank you. Thank you to all you guys for sticking around.
Song goes out to you.
Hey, videographer.
So Steve Jackson here from the Barbecue King,
From Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Minnesota. Isn't it snowing up in Minnesota right now?
Yeah, it was 25 below yesterday.
Yeah, so there's a reason that they're down here and not up in Minnesota. So
I retired from there after school, so I moved here.
Minnesota, that's next to Wisconsin.
Yes, right next
I never
door.
get up there. I'm from California. So Steve, tell us about your smoker.
We almost ran out of meat, but you know, I have brisket, ribs, I had turkey legs, chicken, you name it.
I see the briskets. That looks like a brisket. That looks like
Those are ribs.
Oh, that's ribs?
These are briskets here.
Oh, you cut them in half, or you?
Yeah, once I cook them, then I take them and slice them into a quarter.
Okay.
And then we wrap them. I have a special base that I put on my meat. Tastes like no other meat in America.
Okay.
I had a guy offer me almost $1 million for my base.
Really?
I asked him, was he crazy?
Wow.
Got to come up with more money than that because I have a winner.
Oh. Tell us how you came up with the idea for this smoker or this cooker. It's a grill.
We're getting ready to go to Sturgis. And I have a smaller one of these with
South
one tank.
Dakota?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so I needed something that's gonna compete with 160. No, not
There's
600,000.
a lot of people up there. Yeah.
600,000.
A lot of people.
So I needed to build another grill. So
Okay.
I built this one. Me and my wife, she drawed up the plans, and I just got out in the garage and started welding and building.
Wow.
So
Well,
this what
what was it before it was a
it
cooker?
was an oil drum on the side of the house.
Wow. So this was used to warm houses up in Minnesota,
Oh, in Mississippi or wherever. it is,
Mississippi or wherever,
Yeah.
and now it's warming up the bellies of greater America.
Thousands of Americans.
Thousands. So you heard it, Barbecue King, the Grill King, actually,
Grill King.
right there. How do we find you? Like Instagram, Facebook? Where are you at?
Instagram, Facebook. My website is turtlebackenterprise.com.
Oh, Mr. Jackson here, Steve Jackson says once you taste it, you're hooked for life. And of course, we just ate, but I believe you. It smells great. If we had smell-o-vision, you guys would be smelling some really good. What are you using for coal?
Yes. Nothing but charcoal.
Charcoal? Okay.
Yeah, I use Kingsford, but this was cheap, so I.
Okay, that works. All right, that's cool. All right, guys. So hit them up on Instagram,
Stop by
Facebook.
and see me sometime.
Yeah.
We on the corner of 159th and Cactus every Friday from 2 to 7 and every Sunday from 2 to 7.
All right, so I'm gonna try some of Steve's pork rib tips right here. Nice bark. I'm just gonna go for it. That bark's really tasty. I'm tasting, and I'm seeing maybe a little bit of mustard.
No mustard.
No mustard. Oh,
There's 27 different ingredients in that base. Where
I was gonna ask you what the
yellow,
ingredients, but 27, that takes a long time, so.
where you see the yellow there, it's curry.
Curry. So I got one of Steve's secret ingredients, curry.
Then you got 26 to go.
Yeah, all right, 26.
Well, you got two of
But
them.
then- but
You got
then-
the vinegar.
But then there's like 50 kinds of curry, so that really doesn't give you very much. But yeah, there's curry in there. You can see it. A little bit of curry and 26 other secret ingredients. So, and he offered that up. I thought it was mustard. Boy, was I wrong.
Everybody thinks it's mustard.
Thank you very much, Steve.
You're welcome.
And you ain't seen nothing, don't know nothing to prove. Let me out.
Don't try to change my. Do my bass up. Don't try to change my opinion, I know who I stand. Good at my just I did, I know who I am. If you don't like it, move, get out the way. Go ahead and baby, please, like I said. And if you're ready or not, you ain't seen nothing yet. Go ahead and light me up now.